My name is Andy Silver, and I work as a performance coach using hypnosis and NLP. NLP stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and I've been coaching clients using hypnosis and NLP for 20 years. My website is resolutionexperts.com. In this segment, Becoming a Hypnotherapist, I discuss some of the credentialing agencies which will train people to become hypnotherapists, some of the benefits of taking those trainings, what certification includes, and how to start a practice. One of the first things that beginning hypnotherapists need to do is to figure out which training program to align themselves with. And there are several criteria upon which you can make your decision. Some of the large organizations, if you're not a therapy or a psychologist or a psychiatrist, that you could join would be the National Guild of Hypnotherapists, the American Board of Hypnotherapists. You could Google and find several others. And if you are a practicing clinician, you might consider joining the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis. The purpose of becoming affiliated with an organization after you complete their training is that they will offer you continuing education credits, they will offer you supervision, they have an interest in you becoming successful because they want to build their organization, and you'll be able to associate with other certified clinicians or hypnotherapists in your community. You'll learn about pricing, you'll learn about marketing. All of these are very important, and you'll eventually be able to identify the niche that you want to fill in your community where your background enables you to work with a certain group of people where maybe you already have name recognition, and identify their needs and then offer him hypnosis to meet those needs. So the marketing piece goes hand in hand in a sense with identifying and selecting a certain training organization. Now, training is one thing, but certification goes way beyond training. Training might be 40 or 80 hours. Certification gives you a lot more. And when you are certified, you will most likely be able to purchase liability insurance, which is always a good idea. One of the things you'll learn in a lot of the trainings is, for instance, which kind of clients are really not appropriate to have for hypnosis. Perhaps one thing you'll learn is if a client is dealing with substance abuse, that they really need to be in a 12-step program to have a greater likelihood of success once you offer a hypnosis to treat their substance addiction. One of the things that good training will show you is how to tailor your communication so that a client who is primarily auditory, you will not present visual information to them because they can't see it. An auditory person is much more able to resonate with what sounds right to them, and that way they will have a very successful experience in hypnosis. One of the most important things as a hypnotherapist that you need to learn is about ethical standards. Every profession has ethical standards, and they are far more complicated to talk about in a video, but very important because your reputation depends on everybody knowing that as a practicing hypnotherapist that you follow certain standards and that ethical procedures are very much the norm for your practice.